everyone! Today, we're going to make a very simple chive scrambled eggs. First, we prepare 3 eggs, some chives. Beat the eggs into a bowl. Stir well, add a little salt and a little MSG at this time. Cut the prepared chives to the length you like. Put a little oil in the pan and fry the chives with medium and small heat until fragrant. Put a little salt at this time. After stir-frying for 1 minute, add the chives to the eggs. Reboil the pot and put a little more oil at this time. After the oil is heated, put in all the chives and eggs. Remember to spread the leeks at this time. Fry over high heat. Push away when you see a cooked egg. Let the raw eggs flow into the pot. When you see that the eggs are basically cooked, you can put them out of the pot. It's a very simple dish. Why don't you try it together?